we are a baby in the Indian market. We started our operations in 2017 and we started our sales exactly in August last year. So
Right.
we are a very fledgling company. We are doing comparatively well by, if you look at the overall industry as such, because we are showing growth and both our SUV models, the Seltos and the recently launched Sonet are in great demand. So to that extent, we are happy. But yes, the situation is not as what we would have forecast, say, in 2017, because this is sort of a once in a century event that has happened. So this can't be really taken into account. But having said that, like I said, we are getting more. I mean, inquiries are increasing day by day for the Seltos and for the Sonet. So to that extent, we are pretty much enthused. We have shown a growth over last year, obviously because we have launched a second vehicle, and even the old Seltos also is doing pretty well by itself. So we are confident about the medium-term estimate that we have had for the Indian market, because we don't believe that we will. I mean, the market will disappoint us, because the economy itself, the GDP is forecast to grow in the coming years, and the auto industry is not divorced from. It is actually very closely linked to the GDP. And if you can do a regression, for example, you'll find that the growth in the per capita income is directly correlated to the growth of the Indian auto industry also. So the person feels rich, and I mean, he's got more income. Obviously, he's going to be spending on personal transport and cars and all that. So, like I said, the medium term is good. Short term, it could be better, but we are not complaining.
But we've seen a historic decline in the GDP, haven't we? 23.9% is enormous.
Yes, that's right. The industry has shrunk in this calendar year by around, I think, on 30-odd%. But again, what Mr. Dhillon was saying, the degrowth or the growth, I mean, it's not spread evenly across all the segments. Like what he was mentioning, there is a lot of demand for for public, your own personal transport, so that your lowest end cars, your compact hatches, and as also the premium hatches, they're showing a relatively less decline than other segments. But here the strange thing is that your SUV segment, the mid SUV segment, which comprises of the Seltos among other vehicles, that has shown a growth in absolute numbers in spite of the overall market decline. So again, so it's not like everyone is just rushing towards a cheap and affordable transport. It's like people also want something which is like good value, like your Seltos and other vehicles. It's what is possibly keeping us also pretty well so far.